Okay, in this video, we are going to calculate, as you can see, how many carbon atoms there are in a given mass of the element. Now, to help us to do this, we need to know a little bit of information. So we're told the relative atomic mass for carbon is 12. That comes from the periodic table. And we're also given Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Now, to do this, we're going to use two triangles. And I'll put them on the side here for you to have a look at. And when we get to use those, we'll go through, just remind you how to use them, okay? So first job is we're told a mass of carbon. So my step number one is to change that mass into moles. So I'm going to work out the moles of carbon. If I use my triangle here, I'm trying to find moles. So moles is going to be mass divided by MR. So just to help myself, I'm going to write that down. So mass divided by MR. So the mass in the question is 48 grams, and the MR for carbon, we are told, is 12. Okay, so using your calculators, you can work that out if you need to, and that is going to give me 4 moles of carbon. So that's stage one done. Stage two, what we're going to do now is use this second triangle, and I now know the moles of carbon. I know Avogadro's constant, so I can now find the number of particles, which in this case is the number of atoms. So I'm going to put here number of carbon atoms, and using the triangle, number of carbon atoms is going to be moles times by Avogadro's constant. So we put some numbers into that. The moles is 4, times it by Avogadro's constant. Let's just do that on my calculator. So it's 4 times 6.02 to the power of 23. And I'm getting here 2.408 times by 10 to the power of 24 atoms.